firm up against your shoulder. Wait, don't do nothing yet.
Oh. I've started. It's going. Go ahead.
Go. Wait.
Yeah, the safety, huh?
Okay.
Ooh, that's loud. How was that, Christoph?
Here, come here, look. It's okay, no problem.
Let's take a look at the results over here. Is that the hole right there? Is it hot still?
It came out in the back.
Ooh, it stinks.
It's got to. Look where it came out. Yeah. It's got to the thing. I don't know where it went.
That blasts a big hole.
Yeah,
Let me
that's what
see
they used to.
Where's the hole? Out hole?
Yeah, but the smoke comes out.
Oh. All right.